How do you say wine in Spanish? The word wine in Spanish is vino. Vino. For example, voy a pedir una copa de vino tinto. Voy a pedir una copa de vino tinto. I'm going to order a glass of red wine. ¿Te gusta el vino blanco? ¿Te gusta el vino blanco? Do you like white wine? Let's have a quick look at the three main types of wine in Spanish. Firstly, we have vino tinto. Vino tinto, which is red wine. Literally, red wine would be vino rojo, but they don't say that in Spanish. You say vino tinto, which means tinted wine. White wine is vino blanco. Vino blanco. And rosé is vino rosado. Vino rosado. You can also order a bottle of wine with una botella de vino. Una botella de vino. A bottle of wine. Este vino es muy bueno. Este vino es muy bueno. This wine is very good. Una copa de vino, por favor. Una copa de vino, por favor. A glass of wine, please. El vino español es famoso. El vino español es famoso. Spanish wine is famous. So if you want to say wine in Spanish, you can say vino. If you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3 Minute Spanish at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.